welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can tie a scarf into a top. Now there's loads of different methods you can use for this, so I thought I'd do a video showing you some variations that I love, one of them being the one I'm wearing right now. So I'll start off this tutorial with this one. So I'm using this square shaped scarf, so what you want to do is take the two corners like this and tie a single knot, and then just pull it until you're left with two strands long enough to tie around your neck. So you'll see you want to tie just like this, probably a double knot or a bow if you can, just to make sure you're secure, otherwise it will undo, I think, throughout the day. And then you want to take the two corners you have left round your waist and tie them at the back, like this. So again, you want to tie, a fairly secure knot, so I like to do double knots like this. And then if there is excess fabric, like I have, you can either leave it as it is if you like it, or you can tuck it in for a bit more of a tighter kind of fit. So you can kind of play around and make it your own depending how you like it to look. So I prefer it to look a bit more sleek like this. But it's just a really cute top for summer, and I think it can be really nice over a bikini or just on its own. Like, it's just a really fun design. And if you do want a bit more support under it but don't want to show your bra or your bandeau, you can tuck the scarf into your straps. So I'm doing a bad job of it here, but you can see you can almost disguise it not to be there, so it can still have that backless kind of look to it. So you can just play around with it. Once you've got the basic top shape like this, you can tuck it in and style it as you wish. So I really like this design. I think it's super cute, and I love the neck detailing. So no, this is a really fun one, I think. So no, really love this one. So for the next design, you want to take the two corners like this and fold your scarf in half. So you should be left with a rectangle like so. And then what you want to do is take the corners and actually put it behind you and then tie those corners together. So again, you want to probably do a double knot just for security. So just tie those two like that, and then you can leave it as a top just with the top bit tied, but I'm going to show you a design that ties both. So I think it's quite cute like this as well, but you can make it look into a bandeau if you take now the bottom corners and tie those in a double knot. And what's cool about this design is you'll see it has kind of like a peep toe at the front, but you can twirl it around so that opening is actually at the back. So, you can take these designs and turn them however you want to. So it can be really cute at the front, I think, or at the back if you're not comfortable with it being there. But it just makes a really cute bandeau top out of a scarf. So I think this is a really nice way to wear it. And again, you can style it however you wish and wear whatever you want under it. It's really fun. So for the next design, you're going to want to take the two corners like this and fold it diagonally so you're left with a triangle. So you'll see in a second, like that. And then you're going to take the two corners on the longest side. Oh, I'm dropping it. And you're going to tie those round your back. So I'm making this look very difficult, but you can get the gist of what I'm trying to do. So just tie those round. And do a double knot again, just so you're nice and secure and it's as tight as you want it to be. And then at the front, you'll see you might have 2 points if you didn't fold it neatly. So you can just tuck one of those points into whatever trousers or skirts you're wearing. So you're left with just a neat single point. And I think this is such a cute look. It's a really nice strapless top. You can definitely get away with wearing a bra under it as well if you want to, because the way the straps sit, you could definitely hide it underneath the tie. And I just think this is super cute. Really like this one. And then for the next design, you want to take your two corners like so and tie them around your neck. So just do a nice double knot, kind of like the first one, like that. And then you can leave it like a top like this. I think that's what I'm trying to show off here, but it's not the best look in my opinion. But you're going to need a hair tie for this or an elastic, and you want to just gather your scarf and just tie it, a few times just below your neck. Not too tight, obviously, because you want to be comfortable, but just so it's nice and tight. and that's going to make a nice cinched in neckline like so. And then you want to take the rest of your scarf and just kind of like fold it upwards so it's nice and, you know, not too baggy, and then tie it round the back. And just like that, you've got a fabulous top. And you can tuck in any excess fabric, so you can make it, you know, neater once it's tied. And I think this is really cute to do. And you can just try and match the colour of your scarf with your hair tie, or use maybe a clear elastic, and you don't see the hair tie, so it's brilliant, I think. And I just think this makes a really cute kind of crop top for summer. I really, really like this one. I think it turns out brilliant. So for the next design, you want to fold your scarf in half like so. So it will make kind of like a triangle again. And then what you want to do is take that triangle behind your back and tie the two corners in front of you. So just tie a single knot like that, and then with the two bits of fabric you're left with, you can either leave it as it is because it does look quite cute, or you can hide them by tucking them around a bra or just around the scarf itself to kind of create that sweetheart neckline. So you can see here, you just can tie it, you can fold the fabric however you want it to look, but it just makes a really cute kind of bow in the middle. And then if you don't like the ties being left like that, they do look cute, but if you want to make it, you know, all neat, just tuck them underneath. Same goes for any of the excess scarf fabric, you know, just tuck it underneath itself so you can get that kind of really smooth finish, and it almost makes it look like a scarf kind of bikini top or bra top. I think this is so cute for summer, you know, with high-waisted jeans or shorts. It's just so cute. Like, it's just works so well. So I really love this one. I think it's a really cute option. Just like that. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe for more. If you're wondering where you can get scarves like this from, I personally love to thrift them or get them from secondhand shops or charity shops. So once lockdown is over and we can go shopping again, check out your local charity shop or thrift store. You'll be so surprised what you can find in them. But in the meantime, if you're just raring for one right now, I'll link a few down below because you can get them all over the place. And of course you can get them secondhand on eBay or Depop if you're looking for some of those like vintage designer ones, because that's the thing, scarves aren't as expensive as clothing, but they can be clothing, so it's a win-win. Win-win. But I'll link all my social media down below. Look after yourselves, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.